अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्गैः भीष्मो द्रोणसूतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गैः.
26 and 27 are taken together. He says, all these sons of Dhritarashtra with the hosts of monarchs, Bhishma, Drona, Suta's son Karna, and our warrior chiefs too, rush into your fearsome mouths with terrible tusks. Some are seen sticking in the gaps between the teeth with their heads crushed. It's a horrible description of devastation and destruction. But what we need to understand is that this is war. And a person with wisdom understands that this is going to happen long before it happens. In the Mahabharata, Bhishma tells Krishna exactly the same thing. What does he say? He says, the Kalapakvam idam manye sarvakshatram Janardana. He says, oh Janardana, the entire Kshatriya clan is ripe for destruction. I see all the Kauravas rushing into the mouths of death. When does he say that? When they banished the Pandavas. When the Pandavas were sent to the forest, Bhishma knew exactly what was coming to the Kauravas. And yet, look at the magnificent way in which he functioned. He just did what he had to do. He realized he was a subject and he followed the orders of Duryodhana, knowing fully well that they were all going to get exterminated. But now what you see here is in verse 13, Arjuna saw the whole world resting in that one form. In verse 15, he speaks of Brahma. 17 and 18, he speaks of Vishnu. And now, the 23, 24 and 25, he shows the fearful aspect of Brahman, and now starts the devastating, destructive aspect. But what we need to understand is that all three need to be there simultaneously for the world to function harmoniously. If there were only creation and no destruction, we would be in a complete mess. If there was only destruction and no creation, again there would be a mess. And if there was no maintenance, nothing would make sense. So there is this wonderful balance of the three. You look at nature, you find the same thing. Every aspect. There is creation, there is maintenance, there is destruction. So if you want to be a part of the world, if you want to be maintained, you must understand there's going to be creation, there's going to be destruction. You must have that strength to face the destruction. Arjuna doesn't have that. Nor do we. Whenever the thought of destruction comes, we tremble. So that's what he's saying. And when he says, hurriedly enter means it is so easy to take to the negative path. We don't think of it. We rush into negative things, only to meet with the consequences later. So when do we need to realize, before we do negative things, we should understand what the consequences are, like Bhishma did. And even at that time, continuously he kept trying to tell Duryodhana not to do these negative things. But he didn't listen. Nor do we listen. We seem to be hell-bent on self-destruction. Next.